Alright, so here is the radiator setup that was in the car when we bought it. It's an aluminum radiator in front in the 6-cylinder position. You can see it just kind of bolts with 3 bolts on each side, and it has a single polar fan, but it definitely wasn't up to par.
Hey guys, Tim from Red Go Garage here. I was able to install a brand new radiator setup that I got from Champion Cooling, and here's a quick video kind of showing the overall process of it. Not necessarily a how-to video, but just kind of showing an overall view of what it takes to install one of their radiator fan combos in a Tri-Five Chevy.
So it all just made to bolt in, and it all the radiator and condenser and everything bolt to those side panels, which you'll see here in just a second, to make it really pretty much a bolt-in process. So right here you're looking at the actual tabs that are factory on the core support, and these you have to cut off. So you can see me here cutting both of these off, but once these are cut off, it's truly a complete bolt-in process. So I cut them off and ground them down a little bit. So here's the side panels removed, the tabs are removed, ready to install. So here basically just bolted together these side panels. So they bolt in, they come with all new hardware, bolt right into the factory position, no problem. You can see everything there. I mean, look at it, it looks like a mirror, but that's actually just their show quality polish that they have. So and that's kind of it. I didn't do a very good job here, but it really, there's 4 bolts that bolt through those side panels into the radiator, and then you bolt the condenser to that. But really here I put the grill back in and the hood support back in, so you can see that you don't have to modify that. With the old one, when we were trying to put in a condenser for the AC system, we're gonna have to grind that way down and figure out something different. So even on this side, on the engine side, with dual fans, still plenty of room between the fans and any sort of accessory setup. So like I said, complete bolt-in installation. Obviously I still got to find some hoses to work and go for, move forward on the AC installation. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any more questions, reach out to Champion Cooling Systems, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe.